The Epic Fail of Arturo Zamora by Pablo Cartaya. Summer vacation plans in Miami for 13-year-old Arturo, they're pretty simple. He's going to play ball with his friends on the basketball court, drink delicious mango smoothies made by his abuela, and work as a dishwasher a few times a week at his family's Spanish restaurant. Now, that was a plan at least. It gets a little complicated when a few people come to town. One is great. A childhood friend named Carmen, who has colorful braces and is kind of cute, funny, and loves reading the poetry of Jose Marte. She comes to town. The other person, not wanted as much. This is a slick land developer that wants to buy up as much land as possible as he can in Arturo's family's part of town, and he has his eye on the family's restaurant. Now all Arturo has to do, save the restaurant, save the town, and get the girl. Can he succeed? Failure is not an option. If you want a book that is filled with family, fun, humor, and Spanish poetry, The Epic Fail of Arturo Zamora is the one for you.